If making money was just about hard work, wouldn't everyone be rich? The truth is, wealthy people follow a completely different set of rules that most people don't even realize exist. What are the things poor people don't know about making money that are the difference between staying broke and building real wealth? Number 1. Money is a game, and the rich know the rules. The first thing most poor people don't realize is that money operates like a game, and those who understand the rules win. The wealthy know how to use tax laws, business structures, and investment strategies to maximize wealth. They set up LLCs to protect their assets, invest in tax-advantaged accounts, and leverage legal deductions to reduce their tax burden. Meanwhile, most people focus on earning as much as possible without understanding how to keep and grow their money. Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest people, is a master at playing the money game. He knows how to legally minimize taxes through charitable donations and long-term capital gains tax strategies. Learning the rules, such as how to invest, how to legally reduce taxes, and how to use debt strategically, gives you a massive advantage in making and keeping money. Number 2. Time is more valuable than money. The wealthy understand that time is their most valuable asset, not money. You can always make more money, but you can never get back the lost time. That's why the rich focus on building systems and passive income streams that generate money without requiring constant effort. They outsource tasks, leveraging systems to generate wealth without trading hours for dollars. Poor people, on the other hand, often trade time for money, working long hours with no plan to escape the grind. If you want to grow financially, you must learn to value your time and prioritize activities that bring long-term returns. Number 3. Skills make you money, not just hard work. Hard work alone isn't enough to build wealth. Valuable skills are what truly make the difference. Wealthy people invest in learning high-income skills like sales, negotiation, marketing, coding, and leadership. These skills allow them to create more opportunities and increase their earning potential. In contrast, many people focus on jobs that offer little growth or financial scalability. If you want to boost your income, upgrade your skill set, and focus on becoming an expert in areas that the market values highly. Number 4. Investing is the fastest way to grow wealth. Wealthy people don't just work for money, they make their money work for them. Investing in stocks, real estate, businesses, and other appreciating assets allows them to grow their wealth exponentially. In contrast, poor people tend to save their money in low-interest accounts or spend everything they earn, missing out on the power of compound growth. If you want to build wealth, start investing early and consistently. Even small amounts can grow into significant wealth over time. Number 5. Debt can make you rich or keep you poor. The difference between good debt and bad debt is something the wealthy understand very well. Wealthy individuals use good debt to buy assets that generate income, like real estate or a business loan. Robert Kiyosaki famously talks about how he uses good debt to acquire income-generating assets like rental properties. By borrowing money at low interest rates to buy real estate, he earns rental income while the properties appreciate. Poor people, however, often take on bad debt, such as credit cards and personal loans, to buy things that don't bring financial returns, such as expensive cars, luxury gadgets, or unnecessary credit card purchases. To use debt as a wealth-building tool, focus on leveraging it to acquire assets that pay for themselves and generate profit. Number 6. Taxes can either build or destroy your wealth. The tax system is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth, but most people don't know how to use it. Wealthy individuals legally reduce their tax liability through deductions, business expenses, and tax-advantaged investments. For example, they might invest in retirement accounts, real estate depreciation, or tax-free municipal bonds. On the other hand, poor people often overpay in taxes because they aren't aware of these strategies. Learning how to manage taxes effectively and understanding how to structure your finances to legally reduce taxes can save you thousands every year and accelerate your wealth-building journey. Number 7. Scarcity versus abundance mindset. Your mindset around money determines how you approach financial opportunities. Poor people often have a scarcity mindset, believing there's never enough to go around. They avoid risks and focus on survival. The wealthy operate with an abundance mindset, knowing there are limitless opportunities to create wealth. Instead of saying, "I can't afford it," they ask, "How can I afford it?" This shift in thinking opens doors and creates possibilities. Number 8. Wealth is built in economic downturns. While poor people panic during economic downturns, the wealthy see them as prime opportunities. Recessions, market crashes, and real estate slumps allow the rich to buy undervalued assets at a discount. For example, when the housing market crashes, savvy investors buy properties at bargain prices and wait for their value to recover. Poor people often panic, sell, or avoid investing during downturns, missing out on opportunities to grow their wealth. The key is to stay calm, think long-term, and be ready to take advantage of opportunities when others are fearful. Number 9. Every dollar should have a purpose. Wealthy people assign every dollar a job, whether it's investing, saving, or reinvesting in their business. Poor people, on the other hand, often spend money impulsively without a financial plan, leading to wasted income and instability. Creating a detailed budget and financial plan helps you control your spending and ensure that every dollar is working toward your financial goals. This habit can make the difference between staying stuck and building long-term wealth. Number 10. Your network determines your net worth. The people you surround yourself with play a significant role in your financial success. Wealthy individuals build strong networks of like-minded people. They surround themselves with successful people who share opportunities and resources. Poor people often remain in social circles that reinforce limiting beliefs about money. If you want to grow financially, start connecting with people who are where you want to be. Attend networking events, join mastermind groups, and seek mentors who can guide you. Number 11. Money doesn't make you rich. Financial education does. Many people think making more money will solve their problems, but without financial education, they'll still end up broke. Many lottery winners and high-income earners end up broke because they never learned the basics of personal finance. Wealthy people prioritize financial education. They study money, how it works, how to invest, and how to manage it. They read books, attend seminars, and learn about investing, budgeting, and wealth preservation. Poor people, on the other hand, often avoid financial education. If you want to succeed financially, commit to continuously educating yourself about money. Number 12. Learning to sell is a superpower. Every successful person knows how to sell, whether it's products, services, or ideas. Sales skills open up endless opportunities and are key to making money in business and personal ventures. Wealthy people know how to persuade, negotiate, and close deals, giving them the ability to generate income anytime, anywhere. Poor people often avoid learning sales because they see it as pushy or uncomfortable. In reality, mastering sales is one of the most powerful ways to take control of your financial future. Number 13. Pay yourself first. Wealthy people always pay themselves first. This means setting aside a portion of their income for savings and investments before spending on anything else. Poor people tend to do the opposite. They pay their bills, spend on lifestyle expenses, and save whatever's left, often nothing. By paying yourself first, you prioritize building wealth and ensure you're always putting money toward your future. Automate your savings and investments to make this process easier. Number 14. You need to take calculated risks. Wealth is rarely built by playing it safe. The rich understand that calculated risks are necessary to achieve big financial breakthroughs. This doesn't mean taking reckless gambles. It means carefully evaluating opportunities, weighing the potential rewards against the risks, and moving forward when the odds are in your favor. Poor people often avoid risk altogether out of fear, which keeps them stuck in the same financial position. Learning to embrace smart risks is a key step toward financial success. Number 15. Money flows to those who solve problems. The wealthiest people in the world solve big problems. Whether it's creating innovative technology, offering valuable services, or improving people's lives in some way, money naturally follows those who add value. Poor people often focus on their own needs without thinking about how they can help others. If you want to make more money, start thinking about how you can solve problems and create solutions that people are willing to pay for. And there you have it. Principles that separate those who struggle financially from those who build lasting wealth. If you want to change your financial future, it starts with adopting the right mindset and taking consistent action. Which principle resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another episode of Money Mindsets. Remember, building wealth isn't about luck. It's about learning the rules and playing the game right. See you in the next video.